So what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Investing with Raph, where I talk about everything investing and investment. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you can get a notification whenever I do a new video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about Boeing. Yep, Boeing is Boeing 737, is an American company. They actually produce planes, and they don't just produce planes, they handle some military stuff. They handle some they are into military aircraft, space systems, security, global services and support, and the rest. So they have the commercial flight and they have the private commercial flight for billionaires. They are the ones that make the private jets, customized private jets for billionaires. They have an entire sec let's say segment. They have like an entire office dedicated to making planes and specialized planes for individuals, and they have the commercial vehicles and commercial planes like the ones for commercial flights. Okay, so there's a reason why I am very comfortable with Boeing. Like in my that other video I did about American Airlines. It's the same reason I'm comfortable with American Airlines that I'm comfortable with Boeing, and that is a lot of government involvement because they handle government contracts. They are essential to the economy. And let me show you guys something. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, Industrial Index, Dow Jones, they are one of the 30 companies. Look at them right here. This is Boeing right here, listed as one of the companies. Just right here. Look at them. Look at Boeing's right here. Is listed as one of the companies in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So you understand how important Boeing is to the US economy, handle government contracts, handle satellites, and handle space systems. You can see their past partnerships. Let me show you guys something. Recently, the government was supposed to give them money for bailouts, as they gave the airline industry. They tried to give, since Boeing is an essential. Let me show you that line right here. I think the line is right here, and it says, yeah, Boeing has raised 25 billion in a massive debt sale, allowing it to avoid tapping a 17 billion coronavirus bailout fund. They refused the money anyways, meant to shore up businesses critical to the national security. The government was trying to give Boeing money because they are critical to the economy of the US. That's the thing. If you want to invest for value, you look for businesses that are critical, businesses government just can't do without, and be like, no, we got to help these guys. So someone like a company like Boeing, even though they decided to do a corporate bond instead, they use bonds to raise the money. There are reasons for it. You could read that up, you could Google that. It's just right there. It's on the internet. And they also have defense contracts, like I was saying. Aside, they look at this. A simple Google search will get you everything you need. Boeing handles defense contracts. I think they handle defense contracts for Australia and some Australia. I think Australia do. So you could see that this is just it. This is, aside this loan they just took, but though they are not going to pay dividends this year. They had issues with they had their flight issues. There was this time their flights had issues. Their 737 Max, they were having issues, so they decided to stop dividends so that they don't have to have they have to have money to invest back into the company to fix the 737 Max issues, as you can see right here in this article, this Forbes article. So it's a company that is in the Dow Jones 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Index. That's 30 companies. It's right there. It's worth it. To me, it's totally worth it. And you could look at, they are still down from their previous highs. Their previous highs in they're still down. They were as high as 348. They were as high as 348. This was back in February, and now they are like 179, as you can see from the stock price. So I think it's a good deal here. Like I always give this analogy. You want to buy Jordans. You want to buy a pair of Jordans, and it's $100. And you wake up the next day and you find out the pair of Jordans now is $50. It's the same pair of Jordans. It's cheaper for you now. It's best to buy it. You understand? It's best to buy when you can afford it, or when it's cheaper, when it's on sale, when it's on discount. So Boeing actually is a big discount for me. I am I'm going to have this soon. I'm working towards buying a lot of this. So I personally am going to have this, and I feel like I should share it because this is really, 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 really a big sale right now that all the economies and all the stocks are kind of affected by the coronavirus outbreak. So this is a big sale for us. That will be it for this video. Please don't forget to uh, subscribe. Don't forget to like. You can drop a question in the comment. I'm going to reply you later, and I'll see you in my other videos. Also, I just wanted to put something out there. I actually hold classes at the I actually hold Zoom meetings at the end of the month, every month. I think I did it last month. So you could just the link to drop in your email so I can send you a link to the Zoom meetings. We could discuss on cryptocurrency or other investment classes. We could discuss that in our Zoom meetings. So you could just put in your email there, and I'm going to contact you. No, 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 no. Nah, shit.